be showing you the fastest way right now to level up in Grand Peace Online. Okay, so you want to be on Fishman Island. This is the best place to be right now for leveling up. You're gonna want to come over here to the leveling place. You're gonna need Blackleg as a requirement since it's gonna be really quick to level Blackleg. I think you can use one source style too. So you're gonna want to get this quest. Okay, once you get the quest, you want to come over here. You're gonna want to gather all these NPCs up, and you're gonna want to roll because like you don't want to get hit by them or you're gonna get infinite combo. So you're gonna keep doing this, hit them, and Blackleg is really good because you have that dash kick. So once you do that, you're gonna want to turn on Armament Hockey. Then you're gonna press X, let them all get damage. Once that happens, you're gonna want to press Z. That is really the quickest way to level up and get money. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this one last time. You're gonna wanna get the quest like a normal person. Come here, you're gonna attract the first NPC, then you're gonna dash kick. Gather all these NPCs up. Don't go for that guy because they would have hit me. Okay? Then after that, you're gonna want to roll over here, activate Armament Hockey. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna press Z. That's basically the quickest way. I don't know, I didn't see my XP bar go up, but it went up pretty high. So that's what you guys are gonna do. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share, and peace out.